Hi guys, welcome back to Angry Birds Reviews. We're gonna play an Angry Bird game since I said Angry Birds Reviews. Now, where? Here. Only 1 to 8. Come on, what happened? Yes! The Angry Birds always says that, and it's always so funny. Done. Sorry. I just can't see what I'm doing. Uh-oh, this is hard. That silly monkey. I'll try to make it. Good. Waiting and waiting. Sounds like Red who's saying the na. And the next dog, all the other Angry Birds is the one who's saying the rest. Come on. Yes. I used all my Angry Birds. No. 1 star. That's fine. Was that an explosion? Because it was like one. Just because of the tint. Check in the comments below. I don't know if it's TNT or tint. Really, I don't know. You know why it's big? Just because I'm playing on an iPad. That's why it's big. Oh yeah, sorry. I'm talking and talking. I'm not gonna use my favorite one. My favorite one's Stella. Yeah. My favorite one's Stella. And the blue one. I don't know what's his name. Check in the comments below too. Come on.